when that bell goes. And I always say when the bell goes because no one cares about anything else. No one cares about how I was in the gym 2 weeks before or whether I'm flying in the gym. It's when the bell goes and the fight ends. That is it. That's the only thing that matters about anything. And I'm good at gearing myself up to that point. I've been there many a times in big fights at that point, and I know I can mentally and physically deal with it. You know what I mean? And I know that's what all that counts in this fight is how I perform when the bell goes until the fight ends. So I can't wait for that. You know, a lot of excitement's coming out of me now. It's hard, don't get me wrong. Just come back from Spain. I'm a bit tired after going to do a 5 mile run now. But, you know, in about when it gets to fight week and stuff like that, the excitement will come out then. You know, and in my favour, I don't have to be in Albuquerque